Hi, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to teach you how to play Malibu Nights. So this is just the chords and the piano part to the song. We're not going to learn the melody line. So this is for anyone who wants to play the piano and sing over it. So there's just 4 chords then that repeat throughout the entire song. So let's go over the intro first. So the first chord is a G sharp minor. And we are going to play an inversion, which means we're going to play the same notes of G sharp minor, but just in a different order. The upper melody is going so then the first chord is D sharp, G sharp and B. And then we're going to F sharp major, which is F sharp, A sharp and C sharp. And then we're going to play B major, but we're going to play an inversion. So you're going to keep your thumb where it is, move your middle finger to the B and your little finger to the D sharp. And then we're going to play this F sharp by itself, and then play E and G sharp. So that's the intro. Let's try that again. And then the left hand is simply following the root notes of those chords like this. G sharp, F sharp, B, and then E and G. So let's try putting that together. And then again. So the rest of the song follows the exact same chords, but just in a different rhythm. So let's go through that, and you're just going to hold each chord down this time for 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And you could have a little play around with adding a few extra notes in here and there between the chords, just to develop the piano section a little bit more, to make it sound a bit more interesting. So there's one point in the song where those chords are played an octave higher, which is towards the end of the song. So I've linked the full song lyric chord structure in the description below, like in all my videos, so you can piece the song together. I hope that's been useful. Please give this video a thumbs up if it has. I look forward to talking with you all in the comments section below. If you have any requests, please let me know. Otherwise, I'll just see you in the next video. Bye bye!